does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection, and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the turbine in your Dyson hairdryer. This is a crucial maintenance step to ensure your device operates efficiently. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, unplug your Dyson hairdryer to ensure safety. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any remaining screws. With the casing removed, you will now see the turbine. Inspect it for any signs of damage or wear. If it appears to be faulty, it's time for a replacement. To remove the turbine, carefully disconnect the wiring harness. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it loose if necessary. Now, take your new turbine and connect it to the wiring harness. Ensure it is securely attached. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Next, position the new turbine into the housing. Make sure it fits snugly and aligns with the mounting points. Once in place, reattach the casing by aligning it properly and pressing it back together. Now, it's time to replace the screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully screw them back into place. Ensure they are tight, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws or damage the casing. After securing the casing, it's essential to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your hairdryer. Finally, plug in your Dyson hairdryer and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the turbine in your Dyson hairdryer. Remember, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we offer services that include no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get your device back in working order. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Link below in the description.